Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Everything RC on this channel over here, that's the vibe we on. If you're looking at Frequent Flyer, you're on a whole different vibe anyway. You're vibing on a different frequency. Welcome to the channel. In case you guys didn't know, this company, RLaarlo, is having a speed challenge with their buggies. The entries are done already. I think it's too late to enter if you haven't entered already. Someone put a bug in my ear about this little challenge here, and it's a pretty sweet deal for first place. I think you get $2,000 and a special edition buggy from RLaarlo, and you get their whole fleet from 2022 of their RC cars and trucks and all. So I thought that was pretty awesome. I think you also get some merch. The second place prize is $1,000. I did enter, in case you guys didn't know, and that's why my GPS is all scuffed up and everything. I've been doing a couple runs and everything with this guy to try to see how I can get this thing running fast as possible. These wheels are a little larger than the normal wheels, a lot larger actually, and so I just did that so I can cope with the rugged terrain out there and all the slipping and sliding from the dust and the rocks and all of that stuff, little pebbles and things like that. I haven't even tried 3S on it yet. I was trying to see if I can qualify on 2S. That's my little challenge for myself, and I'm thinking I can actually do it. I'm going to go out with a charged up battery and give myself a longer runway, and then I think I probably can hit 100 kps to qualify without using 3S. But if worst comes to worst, I'm going to go to 3S. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check out like the prizes and all of that stuff, and I'm going to let you guys check out my little test runs that I was doing. Speed run time, y'all. I'm out here with the RLaarlo buggy. Got the carbon fiber edition. Got the GPS working on the top. Let me show y'all my setup. I added these tethers. Check it out. So that's a 540 brushless motor. It's 4,370 kV, as you can see there. Nothing else modded. I had to go through a bunch of stuff to get this motor in here. This, as you can see, is evidence from this right here. But hopefully everything is okay and this thing will run good. So let's fire this baby up. I added these larger wheels on it because of the terrain that I'm running in, to give myself a chance, at least. So let me see, I gotta get this guy closed up with one hand. Okay. Back on. Let's get the front on. I don't know if this goes well. You're going to see probably a whole lot of people copying this, the larger wheels that I put on here. So this might be my last run. I'm going to do a qualifying run and remove these wheels and put the regular wheels on there and go to a better place. But right now this is just a little test run, but if I qualify I might end up using this for my qualifying run. So let's get it. First time running this with the motor that I put in it too, so almost killed the cat. 52. Got 52 on it, so see if I can get it full throttle. Sheesh.
I was a little kid. I was like, I hope no little kid come out running.
Oh, all right. So 67.
You know I'm gonna stop.
Huh?
You know don't even try. You know I'm gonna stop now.
What's up?
Don't even try.
I thought you was
Try
coming
that thing
through.
down there again. How the hell you?
No, it's still. Trying to do a.
bathroom?
Huh?
My brother had to go to the bathroom. And I said, oh,
Okay.
let me get out. Look at this. Cause look, I had the drone. I could never get it to work right.
Oh, you got a drone?
I had one. I gave it to my nephew. And when my nephew got it, that's what he was doing. The problem was, you see this thing right here? See how you got this joint right here?
Oh no, I got that on the. You talking about the?
Programmed it to my phone.
You talking about this?
Yeah. Well,
Oh no, I got that. That's a GPS. I got that on there to track my speed. I'm trying to record a speed. I try to record how fast it's going.
It had something connected to mine where I connected to my phone and I could see it.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I would
yeah.
lose the money because I couldn't get it up. I couldn't get it to hover. Every time I get it to move, it would do this. It would do this.
I'm gonna hope that he's lying because if this happens, if this happens,
Straight.
Quit.
Alright y'all, I got the GPS back in effect. I found the back to it. And so we're gonna test this again. So the peak speed is zeroed out. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me slide that on here. Hopefully it won't flip over on me this time. Got 71 off it, guys. 71. Maybe this is better, just staying halfway here. Oh! Can you get it back? Oh, it stopped on me. This battery is dead. Turn it off. The battery's dead. The motor is scorching hot. Maybe it's overheating. I don't know if it's just the battery dying or is the motor actually overheating. Is the ESC overheating? I don't know. But we got 71, guys. Y'all see that? 71 on 2S. Thanks for watching.